Hey guys, I'm Shauna O and welcome to my channel. Some of you are already familiar with me and some aren't, but we are here to fix that today. You can follow me at my Instagram or my Snapchat, which should be listed somewhere around here. Okay, so for today's look, we're going to be doing a how to do a smoky eye look. Now I'm going to show you the easiest and simplest way that I've found to achieve this look. Just keep on watching. Okay guys, so the smoky eye is going to look a little something like this. First, we're going to go in with LA Girl gel liner in black and primer eyelids. Another alternative for this is the Jumbo Pencil by NYX in black. So we're just going to take that and put it all over our eyelids. It doesn't have to be perfect. I know some people may be intimidated or scared by it. Now we're going to go in with a brush, any blending brush that you like, and we're just going to blend out the harsh edges. Now with the smoky eye, I want you guys to take your time and blend, because you don't want an unblended smoky eye. That's where the problem comes. We're going to take a clean brush and we're going to add a bit of brown on top, and we're going to use that as our transition shade. Today we're going to be using Stroke by Morphe from their 39A palette. We're just going to buff that in right above where we blend it out. Now we're going to go in with a more detailed brush and we're going to add a deeper brown into the crease. We're going to be using Frame from the same 39A palette. We just want to focus that right in the crease, and we're going to be using circular motion. I always like to use a mixture of circular and windshield wiper motion. We just want to add some depth to the crease. Okay, now we're going to take a clean brush and we're just going to blend any harsh edges that we have. We're going to take a flat brush and we're going to add some black eyeshadow onto the gel liner that we placed earlier. We're just going to use a patting motion to apply it. Now we're going to go back in with the same brush that we applied our transition shade with and blend out the harsh line. Okay, and this is the ending of the first part of our smoky eye. We're using the orange from the NYX Conceal, Correct and Contour palette. So we're going to color Correct now. Okay, now we're going to go with Anastasia Beverly Hills Stick Foundation in Cocoa and just put that all over our face. Okay, now we're going to be using NYX HD Concealer in Nutmeg, and we're just going to be highlighting underneath our eyes, the nose, forehead, chin, and just on top of our lip line. I just want to conceal first, and then we're just going to add a lighter concealer to highlight our areas. Just to brighten it a bit, you know, nothing much. I know it looks a bit crazy, but we're just going to blend that out. And just be careful when you're blending out around the eye area, because you don't want to mess up your eyeshadow that you just worked so hard on. Now to brighten that up, I'm going to go in with MAC NC45 and just place it underneath my eyes, on my forehead and my chin. Please note that this part is optional, but for smoky eye I like to have like a brighter under eye highlight. Now to set our under eyes, we're going to go in with Airspun's translucent powder. We're going to use MAC Dark Deepest Mineralized Powder, and we're going to put it all over our face. Now we're going to go in with CoverGirl Ebony Bronze and just bronze our face, just to give it some warmth. Now we're going to go in Anastasia's Blush Trio. We're going to be using Desert. Now this is just kind of like a coralish color. It actually looks so nice on dark skinned women. This is like a universal shade that everybody can use. We're gonna take that and focus it right on our cheeks and just bring it up a bit. I know, probably look a little bit crazy, but we're not finished yet. We're gonna go in on our waterline and we're gonna be using Makeup Forever Aqua XL eyeliner pencil in black. And we're just gonna tight line or waterline. Now the same shade that we use to deepen our crease, we're gonna go in with that and just put it underneath our eyes. So that is actually Frame. We're gonna go with the color black. So we're just gonna place this right in between the black liner and Frame. Because this is smoky eye, so you know you want it to look smoky. And just blend everything together. Okay, now to jazz up our smoky eye a bit, we're gonna go into NYS Ultra Pro Minia in LP19. I'm gonna go with my all-time fave brand of lashes, Lady Lashes, and we're gonna be using Style Labelle for today's look. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed creating it for you. I hope it was easy and simple. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye! Also, don't forget to like and comment on this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And actually use MAC Dirt Deepest Mineralized.
Okay.
Lipstick!